Happy Monday, third graders, and welcome to your math lesson. We're going to continue working with area and trying to find the area of a rectangle using the side lengths. Please have your classwork PowerPoint open, your slideshow open, so that you can pause the video and work along with me as we do this lesson together. All right, so be prepared to pause the video and move screens or have it printed out before starting this lesson. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to work with our application problem. Marnie and Connor both skip count square units to find the area of the same rectangle. Marnie counts 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Connor counts 7, 14, 21. I want you right now to draw what the rectangle might look like and then label the side lengths and find the area. You can find this on the first slide on your classwork page. So go ahead and pause the video so that you can go ahead and draw what that rectangle will look like and then label the side lengths and find the area. Okay, you should have that done by now. Let's go over the answers. All right, we know that Marnie was counting by threes, okay, and she counted 7 times. And Connor was counting by sevens, and he counted 3 times. So Marnie was counting the number of the number of columns, and Connor was counting the number of rows. So we know that a rectangle might look like this, of 3 by 7. Right? To find the area, all you'd have to do is go 3 times 7 equals 21. So the area is 21 square units. You got that right? Awesome. If you didn't, go ahead and change that now. All right, we're going to continue on to our next work here. I want you to relate the side lengths to area. All right, so how many rows are in the incomplete array? All right, well, we know that rows go across, so we need to figure out how many rows we have here. All right, we know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Okay, and okay, so now I know I have 4 rows. How many rows? 4. How many square units are in each row? That's asking me how many columns are there in each row. So I'm going to go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so how many squares are there? There are 7. All right, let me erase that so that we don't get distracted. Okay, 7. Awesome. Now, what do I need to know in order to find the array, or in order to find the area? Well, I know that I have a 4 by 7 rectangle. So I know that 4 times 7 equals 28. So my area is 28 units squared. Okay. Now remember, if you cannot write on your paper, or if you are typing it in, make sure that you add a text box here. Okay, put it over on the side and type in 28 square units. It's very important to have the square units. All right. This is your turn. All right, so go ahead and pause the video. You're going to do the exact same work that I just did with this slide, and you're going to do it with this rectangle here. All right, so you will find that on slide 2 of your classwork slideshow. So go ahead and pause the video now and do that work. Okay, you should have had enough time now to work or to complete that. So here you have your answers. Main question here, do we need to complete the array to find the area of the rectangle? No, we don't, right? We know the side lengths, and so we can multiply the sides to find our area. Okay, moving on to our next slide here. All right, we have this square here, all right? And we're going to use the side lengths to find the area. So I know that I have 6 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Okay, I need to find the area. What is that going to be? What do I notice about this rectangle? Well, I know the side lengths, And I know that there's no grid on the inside, but it is an area model because it's asking for the area here, and it's telling me the side length on each side. Right? Do we still have enough information to find the area of this rectangle, even without the grid lines inside? Yes, yes. We know both side lengths, and so we can write a multiplication problem to find the area of this rectangle. So all I have to do is write 6 times 8 equals 48. And now I know my unit is in centimeters, so I get to write centimeters squared. Now remember, if you do not know, or if you are not able to write this down, you can just insert a text box and write out 48 square centimeters. See that SQ? That is an abbreviation for square. So that is okay. All of your teachers will accept your answer if you write SQ. We know that CM is an abbreviation. So you know that you can go ahead and write it just like that if you need to. All right. Now, this concludes our lesson. So all you need to do is go into your classwork and fill out your problem set. Okay. There are 2 pages. And you have an exit ticket. It is super important that you do this exit ticket independently. We don't want to see the work from your parents. We don't want to see the work from your siblings. We want to see if you can do this. All right, so it's very important that you try your best. And it's okay if you're not understanding something, because this is for us to help you get better. Okay, so we hope you all have a great rest of your Monday, and we'll see you later.